For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Pavilion Harmony ng Hong Kong University. So, this is the place. I'll show you a little bit for this a nice and amazing view dito sa Hong Kong. So, this is it. Ito po yung view niya at makikita sa baba ang kalsada at mga building hanggang sa dagat. At ito po ang pinaka-signature dito sa place ng University Harmony Pavilion. So, puro po siya mga estudyante. Ikot ko lang po sa inyo kung ano ang daan papunta dito. Ayan po siya. Ayan po yung palatandaan niya dyan. Ayan po. So, that's it. Hope you like this mini vlog, and please, every one of you who watching this video, thank you so much, and please don't forget to follow, like, and share, and please follow also to my Instagram, YouTube, and thank you everyone. Hope you have a healthy day, and God bless everyone. Shalom. Bye.
Free ride back and forth, basta make sure number 2 yung back section. So that's it. Thank you for watching.